Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom nestled in the lush mountains, there lived a wise and compassionate king named Raja and a humble monk named Siddhartha. The king was known for his generosity, while the monk was admired for his wisdom. One sunny morning, King Raja strolled through his lavish palace gardens, feeling content with his life and accomplishments. He noticed Siddhartha sitting beneath a Bodhi tree, meditating with a serene smile on his face. Curious, the king approached the monk and asked, "Why do you seem so content, my friend?" Siddhartha replied, "Your Majesty, I have learned that happiness is not found in the grandeur of a palace or the treasures it holds. It resides within, in the present moment." The king, intrigued by Siddhartha's words, said, "I understand the importance of duty and responsibility, but I often find myself postponing my own happiness in pursuit of a better future for my kingdom." The monk nodded and said, "Your Majesty, it's essential to fulfill your duties, but remember that life is fleeting. If you delay your happiness indefinitely, you may never truly experience it. Find joy in each moment, whether you are governing your kingdom or simply breathing." King Raja reflected upon these words and realized the truth in them. He decided to balance his responsibilities with moments of joy. He began to spend more time with his family, appreciate the beauty of nature, and help those in need. Over time, the king and the monk became close friends, each learning from the other. King Raja ruled with greater wisdom and compassion, and Siddhartha's teachings continued to inspire the kingdom's people. The moral of this story is clear. Don't postpone your happiness in pursuit of distant goals or material wealth. Embrace the present, find joy in simple moments, and balance your responsibilities with self-care. In doing so, you can achieve a more fulfilling and meaningful life.